Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to add an indicator right here on MetaTrader 5. And if you want to add an indicator, it's quite simple because from here what we're going to do is go to View, and then what we're going to do is select right here the navigator. So right now we have here the navigator, and then what you already can see is there standing indicators. So right now if you click here on this arrow, you will get here a list of indicators that we can use. So let's say we want to use a volume indicator, so we click on volumes, and then we want to use this indicator right here. What you need to do then is click on it, hold it, and throw it right here to the chart. Then right now we select right here what we want to use, so value up green, value down red is fine, and volume stick is also fine. Then we click on OK, and then right now we just added right here an indicator to the chart. So this is how you can add indicators in MetaTrader 5. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.